Do you want to create and write to an Excel file using Python? In this video, we'll do exactly that. We'll use the openpyxl library to generate an Excel file and add some data to it. But first, we need to install the required module. You can do that by running this command, bash pip install openpyxl. Now let's break the code down step by step so you can understand how it works. We start by importing workbook from openpyxl. This gives us the tools to create a new Excel file. Then we create a new workbook instance with wb equals workbook. Think of this as opening a blank Excel file. Next, ws equals wb.active selects the default active sheet where we'll write our data. We use ws.append to add rows to the sheet. First, we add a header row with product and price, and then 2 rows of sample data, one for a laptop and one for a phone. Finally, we save the file using wb.save_products.xlsx. This creates the actual Excel file in your project folder. Now let's run the code. Once you run it, you'll see a new Excel file called products.xlsx, and it contains the data we added. You can easily create an Excel file using this code. You can also add any data you want to the Excel file. So make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you in Lesson 8.